Namaskar. We all know very well that there is a cosmic energy which is spreaded in all our universe and regulate whole nature. Our all individual souls are connected and working by and with this cosmic energy. There are two types of energetic soul, one having negativity and other having positivity in their nature. Both are connected by this cosmic energy, and the cosmic energy helps both positivities and negativities as per their projection and request, making no any difference between them. All the positivities energies have always nature to help any type of human being and get pleasure in it. And in opposition to it, negativity energies are very pleased to give trouble, pain by making diseases in body or making accidental activities physically or mentally. So we have to develop positivity in our body to protect body from negativities to keep our body healthy and physically and mentally. The positivity can be developed in body by increasing and maintaining oxygen level in blood, that is up to 100. That can be easily done by taking deep breathing. For it you can breathe deep up to abdomen in your regular speed of breathing. So breathe deep up to abdomen for at least 5 to 10 minutes after each interval of 4 hours. After 2 to 3 days, you will see that it become your habit to take deep breath and do it in continue. Then you feel very pleasant, healthy. Your lungs become healthy and absorb more oxygen due to this deep breath exercise and can prevent from any type of virus also. Secondly, there is also a flow of healing energy in this cosmic energy. For it, we have to concentrate on pineal gland where the Sahasrara chakra is present. To reach at this pineal gland internally, please sit in any suitable position. Only your spine, back, neck and head must be in one straight line. Here is a very simple method to reach Sahasrara and pineal gland internally. At the joint where head and neck is connected to each other, there is a pineal gland somewhere. So close your eyes slowly. Tilt your head slightly upward and concentrate at that joint. Soon you will reach at Sahasrara. Then you have to pray there that my heart is fully open and receiving healing cosmic energy which is spreaded in all our universe through this Sahasrara. And now my heart is full of by this energy. And as my whole body is connected by heart, this energy is fully spreaded in whole body and removes all blockage, impurities and diseases of body and make my body healthy. After this pray, please stay in this concentrated position steady for at least 10 minutes. Do this process 2 times a day, in morning and at night. You will observe in some days that your willpower and resistance power is increased and you feel sound, healthy pleasure. Then there will be form a strong aura orbit around your body to prevent you from any negativity or even virus also. Thanks. धन्यवाद.